just gonna stop in at the water station and just pump a little in, 20-30 gallons in each one, because there was chlorine last in it. There's none in there, but it's just a residue, right? So then by the time I get back to the homestead, it should slosh around enough that I'll just drain it and it should be good to go. So I'm not sure if the truck fill's gonna work, but if not, I got a hose I can hook on. We'll get her done. Oh yeah, still solid. I'll have to undo it a bit, but it should reach easy enough. I'll have to sacrifice my tape here. Don't cut the hose, Steve. Don't cut the hose. Okay, how do these open? Can't even smell anything. I don't even smell chlorine. They might have been flushed out already. But I'll also do it again since I'm here. Well, this one, this one smells bad. Okay. Punch in my code. Okay, start. There we go. To wash off my truck a little bit while I'm at it. Okay, that should do her. Pretty cheap water here too. It's $50 for 6,000 liters, or 6 meters. So it's pretty handy. Okay, time I get back to the homestead there, this should all be sloshed around and shook up, and that should do it. I'm not going to be drinking out of these things. It's going to be used in the greenhouse for basically gardening, and maybe some water inside the cabin for non-drinking. See if I can blow this out. This is how I test out my lung power. Oh, there's nothing in there. That's good. Not too bad now, but in the winter, it could freeze up on me pretty easy. But we don't like winter. We only like spring, summer, and fall. Okay, back on the road. On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. Life I love is making music with my friends. Oh, look at that. I forgot to put the lid on. Gotta double check, double check, double check. Pretty good. I don't know if I mentioned it, but these were only 60 bucks each. $60 Canadian. Okay, back on the road. Okay, back at the homestead. Pull on in. I got to, oh, I better put her in 4x. It's getting a little muddy. Getting a little muddy. Close the gate. If I'm only gone a couple hours, I leave it open. Otherwise, I always have it closed to keep the riffraff out. Because I don't like the riffraff. Okay. Hit her in. Now, I'll come on down and I'll drain the tanks right about here into my, I got two little dugouts on either side of my road here. I'm also drain it right here as I start going up. Yeah, that should work. See, the cabin's still in one piece. That's good. You can see the water just running down the driveway. She's melting good now, boys and girls. Now, these bottom valves apparently have never been used. They still got the seal on there. But I gotta drain through there. I get that out. Ow! Fucking cut myself. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's not too bad. Just gotta pop it. Pull her out. Okay, wasn't too bad. Now let's open her up. Is that a lock on there or safety or what the hell is that? Never had these before, so oh, there you go. Pop it up, and then it doesn't seem to want to open. What the hell? I don't want to break the damn thing. What is it? Child-proof or something? Well, it can only go that way. Oh, there we go. It's kind of opening. Well, there we go. It's draining. For some reason, it doesn't want to open right up. There we go. I don't think it broke. Oh no, it just, oh okay. It just clicks a bit. It's got to be a little more forceful. Yeah, perfect angle for draining. Ah, but this one won't be. The valve's on the other side. Where is the valve? Oh, it's in there. Oh yeah, that should work okay. I think. Ow. Oh yeah. Oh, she's draining. Let's see. Oh, look at this dugout. She's filling up because it's dug out all the way around like so, down about 7 feet. So as long as it doesn't get too high, it'll start running down. But it should, once this ice and snow goes, we'll have a significant amount of water. Okay, I need my knife. Cut that open. Now, will this one open better? Yeah, that one went like, oh, that one opened easier. There we go. Let her drain. Oh yeah, I can smell a little chlorine, but a little chlorine won't kill you. Here, we're full on melting here now too. You can see I channeled here because all this snow has to melt yet. All the snow on the hill melted already. But I got it banked here because I'm gonna have to do landscaping. Once I gotta get a new window in there, which I mentioned before, and then I'm gonna landscape up about 1.5 feet up on it and out this way, you see. So there'll be good drainage for next year. Maybe put some weeping tile or something, bury it through here so it can run down the driveway nice. But for now, I got the sump pump outside. And I just plug her in once in a while, and it should pump out. There we go. Good old solar power. And into my pond, my man-made pond. About 25,000 gallons there for now, unless it evaporates or leaks through the bottom. I'm hoping that this dirty clay water will kind of seal it. There we go. Okay. See, I was going to put these 40-gallon drums, 2 or 3 or 4, but then I had the idea of the totes. So I'm going to put 2 totes in there, and then I'm going to set them on pallets, get more of that water out, maybe put pallets around them, and then backfill this. So I'll have lots of water, and then possibly plumber into the cabin, one of them. But it's coming along. I don't know if I mentioned, no I didn't yet, but I put an RV furnace in here too. So at night I keep this at least 10 degrees in here. Because it's only spring, so it's not, it can still dip below 0 at night. Another thing too, I can't, I change plans often. But a tote isn't going to fit through my door there. And I don't want to be cutting this out or taking this apart. So it's probably easier on the far side. Take off a sheet or 2 of plywood or OSB over there. And maybe that center 2x4. Bring it in that way. But that's another day. Guy doesn't want to work too hard in one day. Right, puss puss? You like the mud? I don't think you do. It's okay, push push. Embrace it, embrace it. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll get these in position and I'll show you what I have planned. But for now, I'll relax, get in a little firewood because I still like to have a little fire at night. and take it from there. Catch you on the next one.
I have some questions I want to ask you. If someone gave you a box of everything you have ever lost, what is the first thing you would look for? If you were in a room with everyone you ever met, who would be the one you look for? If you had the chance to relive one day of your life, which day would it be and why? If you could receive a letter from your future self, what advice or insight would you hope to find in it? Imagine you have a chance to revisit a moment from your past. Which moment would you choose, and what would you do differently, if anything? If you had to define your purpose in one sentence, what would it be, and how does it influence the choices you make in your daily life?